the big fella. Oh, so warm. This is Andy. He is a bearded dragon that we've had for almost 10 years now. A couple of days ago, I decided to update his terrarium from wood chip substrate to this vinyl flooring. I noticed that the area around his water dish was always wet. And then one day I walked in and noticed this. So clearly something was happening that wasn't quite right. So what I want to do is test his water bowl to see if it's leaking. And if it is, try to fix it. So hang out with me and Andy while we update his terrarium and make it all it can be. So I have a big bin and I have his water dish, which is also pretty big because he needs to fit in there so that he can soak, which helps with shedding. And I'm going to put this in here, fill it with water, and see if any water gets in the bin. Ooh, all right. I can already see where it's leaking right there. It's a good sized hole. I don't see any other leaks, but it's pouring out of this one pretty good. Oh yeah, you can really see the water. I guess that explains why there were plants growing out of his substrate. All right, I'll dump this out, dry it off, and try to fix it. So this is the hole right there. I'm not sure how that happened. Such a perfect little hole. I wonder if it was just a flaw in this that was just waiting to reveal itself over time. So I've got gloves, junk towel, and paper towels because you never know. I got this yesterday, really inexpensive, like $6. This is supposed to work on a resin. It says it fixes holes and cracks in almost anything, so I think this will work. 25 minutes to set, cures in an hour, drinking water safe. And tomorrow we should be able to fill it with water. So I'll find another dish for him temporarily. You okay over there, Andy? Is this just for more instructions? I'm just gonna read the instructions. Okay. I don't think I need much. You saw how tiny that hole was. I'm gonna get it not from the top, but further down where it's a little more consistent in consistency. This is seems like way too much, don't you think? It says to knead this until it becomes a consistent color. I mean, it was already a consistent color. I don't know if maybe it dries out and becomes like a darker gray. And it has a smell. Ugh. Right there. I guess I just push that into it. And I'll do it from both sides. It will dry to sort of an off-white color. And if I am not happy with it, I can always just, I don't know, maybe paint over it. Otherwise, it's fine. And he's not going to really care. Oh, look. See, it came through the other side. That's good, right? That means that it's all the way through the hole. Press that in there. Okay. I swear, if that works, this will be such an easy thing. And I was resistant. I didn't think it would be that easy. Again, we haven't tested it yet. We haven't put it through the water test. But how easy is that? How do I put this back? While we're waiting for that to cure, let's go through his new supplies. Got this little wicker hammock, this nice wood smelling and very bendable wood plank, random greenery. All right, Andy. Well, when I was looking for supplies to update his terrarium, I discovered that they have bowls that have little lips on the inside that makes it harder for the mealworms to escape. So hopefully this will also keep down the number of escapees that we get. I guess we'll put this right here. lush desert landscape. It's been a day, actually a little over a day, and this is hardened up. It has kind of a strange texture, like a spongy kind of texture. But theoretically, it should be hardened. I'm gonna put it back in my very dry bucket, and I'm gonna fill it with water, and let's wait around for about an hour and make sure nothing leaks. Okay, well that's disappointing. It's certainly not leaking as much as it was, but it's definitely leaking. I think what I'll do is pour this out, dry it off. I'll add more to a wider area on this side and the other side to see if that helps. And you know how I said it was kind of spongy? I wonder if that's because it hasn't fully cured. Okay. All right. Didn't say anything about applying it thinly or not. So I don't know if like a thick application is worse. Maybe it just will take more time to cure. All right. I think that's as good as I can do. If it still leaks after this, I think it will be time to get a new bowl. I might not come back to this for 2 or 3 days, maybe the weekend, just to give this enough time to harden. All right, later. Hello, Andy. Are you ready for a bigger dish? I bet you are, sweet baby. You gonna have some breakfast? Yum. Hey, this is to test my experiment. I didn't put this here for you. I put this here for Andy's dish. All right, it has been a little more than a couple days. Maybe by a few weeks. Honestly, that's because this took a really long time to harden. I'd go out every couple of days and check on it and press on it, and it was still sort of soft and tacky. So I figured it hadn't cured yet. If you do use this product, just keep that in mind. If you use a real thick application like I did, it may take a while before it fully cures and hardens. But that said, we still need to test it, which means you have to get out. Okay? Okay. Oh, you messed up my paper towels. Oof. Good boy. Okay. Put in my dry paper towels for testing. And my dish. So the reason I put the paper towels in again is so that we can see if there's any water. The paper towels are going to show really easily if water's been leaking out of this hole here. So, all right, let's see if it leaks or not. Andy's very curious. All right, I think we're looking pretty good. If it had leaked at all, we would see it even when we move. But there's nothing there. And if it had leaked, it would look like that. So we'd be able to see the wetness. All right, I think it's time to give Andy his new, well, his old, but improved, kind of ugly, actually. But, oh, let's see. His new dish. All right, can I do this without spilling it? Let's see. I'll put this in the back for now until I can get a chance to paint it. Maybe make it look a little nicer. We'll treat it like a Christmas tree with a bad side. All right. Hello, Andy. Look, you got your new bowl. Wanna go take a look at it? Go take a look at the bowl. Ooh, flippity floppity. Look at that. Nice. What do you think, Andy? All right. Hopefully he'll be happy with his nice big bowl. It's been such a long time since he had it. We had to give him a few baths just to make sure he got hydrated, but it will be a lot nicer for him. I will love him and squeeze him and hold him and rock him.